All you need is 5 simple ingredients to make these great onion tarts. First up, some butter. So I'm using a little muffin tin to make these. These are going to be canapé style. So a small knob of butter into a muffin tin, just a few knobs of butter. To that, I'll add some thyme, a few sprigs of thyme. We'll just pick the leaves off. And some onion. You can use a classic brown onion. I'm using a white onion because it's milder in flavour. And we want to cut thick onion rings, so about 1 to 2 centimetres thick. And it needs to fit into the little muffin tin, so that fits just perfectly. Now, what makes these special is a lovely blend of Manuka honey and balsamic vinegar. It's fantastic on salads, roasted vegetables and meats, and also as a great glaze for our onions. So I'm going to drizzle a little on. Fantastic. Then I'll cover this with some pastry, just some puff pastry, and that's the first one done. These are rustic but super delicious. I'm going to make a few more of these. They go into the oven 190 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes or until that pastry is golden. Onion tarts are out of the oven. Do let them cool slightly, just so you can handle them like I'm doing here. You want to be able to twist them in the muffin tin, and that just means that they're detaching from the bottom. And grab a fork and quickly flip them over, and you can see how gorgeous they are. See that they're caramelized. You've got that glossiness because of the Manuka honey that's in that balsamic dressing. We'll place them onto a plate. Just grab a few more out. Oh, they look so good. And one more. Fill that plate up. And delicious as is, but you know me, I like my cheese. And I know these onion tarts will go so nicely with a little bit of bocconcini. So I'll take one of these out. And I'm just going to tear the bocconcini up. You want just the smallest amount, just that pop of saltiness, pop of creaminess on top of each. A little more over here. A little extra drizzle of that Manuka honey and balsamic dressing, the smallest amount. It's just got such a lovely flavour to it. And finally, some more of that thyme just to dress that. And there you have it. Onion tarts made with Manuka honey and balsamic dressing. 5 ingredients. They look a bit fancy, don't they?